How much should you actually spend on a sewing machine for beginners? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Brother XM2701. The Brother XM2701 caught my eye right away with its sleek design and user-friendly features. Priced at $149, it's definitely positioned as a great starter machine. If you want a reliable sewing machine for a variety of projects, this is worth a serious look. Here's why the XM2701 is a solid choice for beginners. This variety means you can tackle a wide range of sewing projects without feeling limited. The automatic needle threader is a huge help too. It takes the hassle out of threading the needle, which can be frustrating especially for newbies. Plus, the drop-in top bobbin is designed to be jam-resistant, making your sewing experience smoother. With over 19,000 reviews and a 4.6-star rating, it's clear that many people trust this machine. Now some folks have mentioned that the manual could be clearer. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, the machine itself is pretty straightforward, and many find it easy to use after a little practice. This is perfect for you if you want a well-rounded sewing machine that can grow with your skills. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra-portable, but for the price, it offers great value for money. Now, if the XM2701's price tag is a bit high for you, this next option is much more budget-friendly. Product number 2, Brother D Serger. The Brother 1034D caught my attention with its heavy-duty build and impressive performance. At $269.99, it sits at a higher price point, but it's designed for those serious about sewing. If you want speed and durability, this is worth checking out. This serger can sew up to 1,300 stitches per minute, which means you can finish projects much faster. The metal frame gives it a sturdy feel, making it perfect for handling thicker materials like denim. Plus, it features a color-coded threading guide which simplifies the threading process, a common headache for many beginners. The included accessory feet are a nice touch, allowing you to sew various types of seams effortlessly. With over 12,100 reviews and a 4.6-star rating, it's clearly a favorite among users. However, if you follow the manual carefully, you'll likely find it manageable. Plus, the speed and efficiency are hard to beat. This is ideal for you if you're serious about sewing and want a durable machine. Skip this if you're just looking to dabble a little, as it might feel like overkill for simple projects. Still, for the power it delivers, it's a solid investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those just starting out with very basic needs. Product number 3, KPCB Tech Mini Sewing Machine. Next up is the KPCB Tech Mini Sewing Machine, which really stands out because of its affordability at just $39.99. It's a cute little portable option that's perfect for absolute beginners. If you want something simple and easy to use, this is definitely worth a look. The finger guard is a thoughtful addition, ensuring safety for those new to sewing. It even offers a double thread feature, which is surprisingly robust for a mini machine, allowing you to sew up to 5 layers of fabric without manual knotting. With a 4-star rating from 6,800 reviews, it's clear that many users find it helpful for small projects. Some users noted that the power isn't as strong as full-sized models. Here's the thing though, it's designed for light sewing tasks, so if you're just looking to make simple projects or practice, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're a complete novice or need something compact for small projects. Skip this if you're planning to tackle heavier fabrics, as it might struggle a bit. For the price, it's an excellent starter kit. Now, if you're looking for a bit more functionality, the next product offers a nice balance between features and price. Product number 4, Brother CS5055. The Brother CS5055 is a computerized sewing machine that really impressed me with its features and affordability, priced at $134. If you want a versatile sewing machine that's easy to use, this one is worth your time. With 60 built-in stitches, you can try your hand at everything from decorative projects to practical sewing. Plus, it has a drop-in top bobbin that helps avoid jams, a common frustration for many beginners. The metal frame construction means it's sturdy enough to handle various projects. With a 4.6-star rating from 3,500 reviews, it's clearly a popular choice. One drawback is that some users found it a bit bulky. But honestly, the larger workspace it provides is great for bigger projects, and the sturdiness is a bonus when you're sewing thicker fabrics. This is ideal for you if you want a feature-rich machine that can grow with your skills. Skip it if you prefer something more compact, but it offers solid value at this price point. Now, if you're looking for something even more beginner-friendly, the last product on my list might just be the right fit for you. Product number 5, Brother GX37. Finally, we have the Brother GX37, another fantastic option priced at $149. It's packed with features that can really support beginners. If you need a machine that's user-friendly and reliable, this one deserves your attention. With 37 built-in stitches, including an auto-size buttonhole, you'll have plenty of options for your sewing projects. The automatic needle threader is a huge time saver, and the drop-in bobbin is designed to help you avoid jams, which is essential for smooth sewing. Plus, it comes with 6 sewing feet, giving you the flexibility to tackle a variety of projects. With a 4.6-star rating from over 5,100 reviews, it's a trusted choice. Now, some users have mentioned that it can be a bit noisy at times. However, for the features and ease of use it offers, I think it's a small price to pay for a machine that's so beginner-friendly. This is perfect for you if you want a dependable machine that offers a great mix of functionality and ease of use. Skip this one if you're seeking advanced features, but for beginners, it's definitely worth the investment. So there you have it. We covered the Brother XM2701, Brother 1034D, KPCB Tech Mini Sewing Machine, Brother CS5055, and Brother GX37. Each has its unique strengths, whether it's price, features, or user-friendliness. Choose one that fits your sewing journey, and happy sewing.